Oh, it's about Rambo, boss. Could you have a word with Rambo? I'm not talking to Rambo. I'm fed up of this. I'm fed up of a dog being brought into the training facilities. Of a dog in the canteen eating all the pasta. What are you talking about, boss? I'm fed up of it and it's not happening anymore. Not happening anymore. No, but it's I think it's best you have a quick word with him. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. And have that, Schwartz. I won't be told what to do. Wait. Who's number 99? Rambo. He's very fast. He's very fast, this guy.
This is their last committed substitution here. Neither side able really to provide a breakthrough here.
Is that?
This could be the chance to equalise.
Of course, we were disappointed. Yeah, well, the gaffer gave me a chance, brought me on, and that. I always respected him. I thought he was a fantastic man, and that. Is there sausages?